Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a testimonial page on Squarespace in just a couple of minutes. I'll be showing you this on Squarespace 7.1. Start by clicking on the Pages panel next to your main navigation, then click the plus icon. You'll see a menu open showing different page type options. Click on Add Blank to create a blank page. A page title entry field will appear. Type in Testimonials or whatever you want to call it, then press Enter to save it. Now, click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page to open the page editor. Once the page opens in editing mode, you'll see an Add Section button in the middle of the blank page. Click that button and scroll down to find the Testimonials category in the left panel that appears. Select Testimonials, and you'll see different layout options. Choose one of the List section options. You'll recognize it by the small info icon in the top right corner. Once you select it, a testimonial slider section will be generated with demo content. Now click Edit Content in the upper right corner of that list section. A content editing panel will open showing Elements and Content tabs. Navigate to the Content tab and you'll see editable fields for each testimonial item. Replace the demo content with your own testimonials, add your customer's quote to the title or body field, then add the customer's name to the description field. If you want to add star ratings, press the globe key on your keyboard twice to open the Emoji and Symbols panel. Navigate to Bullets and Stars, select a star emoji, and click it 5 times to create a 5-star rating. Then paste those stars into the title field before your review text. On Windows, you can copy and paste star emojis from another source if you don't have easy emoji access. To add more testimonials, click the Add button within the Edit Content panel. Each new testimonial item will be created in the list, and you can rearrange the order by clicking and dragging them. For a cleaner look, go to Edit Content, then Design, then Size and Spacing. Under Positioning, select Stretch to make all your testimonial cards the same height. This fixes the issue where cards look uneven when some testimonials are longer than others. You can also customize the section colors by clicking Edit Section, then Colors. Select a background color that contrasts well with your text, so the testimonial section stands out from the rest of your page. Once you're happy with everything, click Save in the top left corner and your changes will publish to your live site. A couple of quick tips. The best place to put testimonials is usually below the fold on your homepage, somewhere after your hero section or near a service section to reinforce what you're offering. Also, make sure to update your testimonials regularly to keep the content fresh and show ongoing customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.